Hello students. So this is a small Python program to count numbers below 10 and above 20 from a list. So here at first you can see one list, number list. So in a list, we can store a group of data. So here we can see some numbers, integers 34, 12, 5, 15, 3, 11, 9, 40, 17, and 21. So this line is to print this list. So here the aim of this program is to count how many numbers are below 10 and how many numbers above 20. So here two variables are used to count. First variable is count below 10 and the second variable is count below 20. Count below 10 is used to count, is used to store the numbers, how many numbers below 10, and count above 20, this variable is used to store how many numbers more than 20. So I need to initialize this. So before I print this list to see the content inside the number list, and then I initialized these two variables to 0 because I need to use this as counting variable. That's why I initialized these two variables to 0. So count below 0 I need to use here, and count above 20, look, I use here. So here for index, I use for loop, and I need to access each and every data from this number list. So I use for loop to change the index values. Index means the location starting from 0. So this is number list of 0, this is number list of 1, 2, number list of 3, like that, yeah. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number list of 9 means 21. So here 0 to 9 means there are 10 elements. Okay. Next. So at first, for index in range. So index starts from 0 here. So here the index value ranges from 0 to, what is the length? Length means how many data. It returns the number of data in this number list. So here there are 10 elements. So 10 is the answer result here. So 0 to, in for loop, it's 0 to 10 means here up to 9 only. Okay, so 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means there are 10 data. Okay, this is a number list of 0. Then this is number list of 9. Okay, so it ranges from 0 to 9. Number list of 0 to number list of 9. So we need to take each and every data. So I need to compare this first 34. So index is set for 0. So number list of 0. If number list of 0 less than 10. So 34 less than 10. No, this is false. This condition is false. So what happened? It goes to else. Else, that is else if in Python. Then it checks this next condition. Number list of index is 0. Yeah. So number list of 0 is 34. 34 greater than 20. Yes. So count value increment from 0 to 1, because there is one number which is greater than 20. Then again, index value changes to 1. So number list of 1 means 12. 12 less than 10. No, it is not less than 10. So this is false. Here, 12 greater than 20. No. So both conditions are false. So nothing happened. Next, index changes from 1 to 2, 5. Number list of 2 means 5. 5 less than 10. Yes. So what happened? Count below 10, increment to 1. So now count below 10 is 1 and count above 20 is also 1. Yeah. Because 34. So in the case of 34, it is more than 20. So count above 20 is 1. Then 12 is not below 10 and not above 20. So nothing happened. 5. Yeah, that is less than 10. So count below 1, count below 10, increment from 0 to 1. So this is 34. There is a number about 20 and there is another number which is less than 10. This is not, okay. Then next condition, next one, index value changes to 3. So that is 15. 15 less than 10, no, false. 15 greater than 24, so nothing happened. Next, index value changes to 4, yeah. So that is 3. Location, index is 4, and the data in that location, that index position is 3. 3 less than 10, yes, right. So the value before it was 1, yeah. So it's increment to 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So now count below 10 is 1. And count about 20 is, count below 10 is 2 now. Sorry, 2. And count about 20 is 1. Okay. Then value changes. Index value 5. So what is 5 here? 11. So 11 less than 10, no. 11 greater than 20, no. So nothing happened. Then next position is 6. Index value changes to 6. So the number is 9 here. So number list of 6 means 9. 9 less than 10. Yes, right. So the condition is true. So what happened? It endures inside this if, and it increment. This is counting. These two statements are counting. Okay, counting statements. So it increments from 2 to 3 because before it was 2. Yeah, for this 5 and 3, both are less than 10. So before it was 2. Now another new number, that's 9, which is also less than 10. So it becomes 3. Count below 10 is 3 now. Then so this condition is true. Yeah. So the system need not want to go to this condition because already the first condition is true. That's why. Okay. That's the use of if-elif. In the case of if-elif, if first condition is false only, then it checks the next condition. Understand? If the first condition is true, then the system need not want to check the next condition. That is elif. That is the efficiency of elif. So this is more efficient than simple ifs. Simple if. Okay. Next position is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Index changes to 7. So number is 40. 40 less than 10? No. 40 greater than 20? Yes. So what happened? The number increments from 1 to 2 because 34, that is more than 20 before. Yeah. So 1. Now another number which is more than 20. So it's 40. That is what? 1 plus 1, 2. Now count above 20 is 2 and count below 10 is what? 3. Yeah. Yes, 3. Next one. Index changes to 8. So what is 8? 17. 17 less than 10? No. 17 greater than 20? No. So nothing happened. Next, final index position reaches 9. The last index, yeah. So that is 21. 21 less than 10? False. So comes to elif. Else even checks. 21 greater than 20? Yeah, right. So count about 20. Before it was 2, yeah. For this 34 and 42. So now a new number, 21. So it's also more than 20. So 2 plus 1, 3. So finally what happened? It prints how many numbers below 10 and how many numbers above 20. So this is the prompt message. Yeah. Then here the system will display this the value inside these two variables. So count below 10. What are the numbers count below 10? 1, this number, 2, 3. 3 is count below 10. And what about count above 20? 1, then 2, 3. Okay, so count below 20 is count below 10 is what? 5, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 3 only. Yeah. Okay. So we can check and we can run this program. Okay, run module. Yeah, both are 3. Count below 10 is 3 and count above 20 is also 3. Okay, so I'm going to change. Okay, For example, I am going to change this 15 to 25. So when I run this program, you can see the difference. Yes, count below 10 is 3 here, the same. But count about 20 is the increment, yeah, because I changed 15 to 25. You understand? Then I am going to change this 9 to 19. So what happened? You can see the difference. One. Look, count below 10 is 2, decrement. Because I changed 9 to 19 and count about 20 is still 4. Okay. So this is a program, okay, to find the numbers, how many numbers below 10 and how many numbers above 20. Then a small change, how I can change. So here this is counting, yeah. So if I need to find the total of numbers below 10 and above 20, a small change. So I need to find the sum of numbers which is below 10 only and sum of numbers which is above 20 only separately. So how I can find this? How I can change this program? So I'm going to save as. Then I am going to type total here because this is next another program. A small change, we need to make a small change. So the variable name is okay, numberless. This is we can give a meaningful name, yeah. So that's very important. It's very important. That is we need to give, we should give only meaningful names. So I need to find total. That's why. Okay. Then here it's also total, and it's also total. It's for readability. Okay, it increases the readability of the program. So here, okay, total. Then, actually, what's the main change? What's the logical change? Okay, so I need to change this variable first. Okay. Okay, fine. Then the main change is here. This is for counting, yeah. But for totaling, we need to. It's not +1. It is not +1. That is not +1. That is here. We need to change like this. Total below 10 is below. Here we need to change total below 10 equal total below 10 plus this data, that is number list of index. Not 1 here. This 1 plus 1 is for counting only. That's a change. Look. Here also we need to make the same change. Total about 20 is equal to total about 20, not +1. We need to, yeah, this data. We need to add this data instead of 1. +1 is only for counting, yeah. So this one. So we can check the output. So here this is what total, yeah. So total below 10. So it's we need to put space. Okay. Total about 20. Okay, so this is totaling, but here it finds only the numbers total separately. Numbers. So to total numbers. Here I need to change this. Okay. So here in this program it finds the total of numbers below 10 separately and above 20 separately. So we can check, we can run this program and we can find the result. Okay, total below 10 is 8 only, means 5 plus 3, 8, right? Others are more than 10, yeah. Total above 20, 34 plus 25. Okay, first 34 plus 25, that is 59. Then 40 is there, plus 40, that is 99, and this is not because this is less than 70. 21 is more than 20. Okay, so plus 21, 99 plus 21, 120, right? So look, now the counting program changes to totaling program. So this is a totaling statement, okay? These two are totaling statements. Understand? Then the above the previous program, that is count value, it is good to make space here, okay? So increase the readability of the program. Fine. So these are the two programs. Okay, fine. This is counting, yeah. Counting, and the above one is totaling. Count below 10 is 2 only, and count about 20 is 4 only, okay? So these are the two different programs. On the left side, you can see the counting, and the right side, you can see the totaling program. Okay, so these are the different two programs. So I can change counting program to totaling by changing some 2 or 3 small statements, yeah, steps. So this is these are those programs. Okay, thank you.